Okay, you can now see it says go fly on the bottom right. So let's click on that. Okay, and I'm going to start recording. Okay, so press the red button, start recording.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Okay, so it's recording. So remember how I start is you push to the edge, then down. Okay, and then you just go left trigger, go up, and it starts flying. And if you want to land, left trigger, go down. Okay, don't try to use any buttons to land or whatever, just use the sticks.
Take off.
Okay, up to fly. Okay, right joystick, forward. Right stick, go forward. If you want to move forward, right stick, come back if you want to come back. Forward, back. Left stick used to turn. Okay, and just focus on that. Okay, so forward, turn. I'm just going to turn very slowly. Very slowly, drive it around. Forward, back on the right stick. Left stick, turn the drone left and right. Okay, and just focus on moving it around slowly. Okay, now if you want to go slightly higher, left stick go up to go slightly higher. And then again, forward, back on the right joystick. And left joystick, go left and right. Don't try to do too many things at once because we're all beginners here. Okay, stay in your yard. Don't lose sight of the drone. Don't lose sight of the drone. Don't run it into a tree or whatever. Okay, and make sure it goes to somewhere with the ground. Okay, where you can safely land it. Then you just press down, hold down, down to land. Down to land. Okay? And that's it. Okay, don't try anything too complicated. Alright, thanks for watching guys. See you next time.
Eddie the Magic Eddie the Magic Monk. Thanks for watching guys. See you next time.